everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. Kargil Vijay Diwas. It is celebrated on July 26 to commemorate the sacrifice made by the soldiers in the Kargil War. The war took place between May and July 1999 in Jammu and Kashmir's Kargil district. We all know the army heroes sacrificed their own lives during the Kargil War so that the entire country can sleep in peace. The stories of their bravery, courage, and passion are the larger than life. Here we are providing a glimpse of 11 army heroes that will not just make us proud but also their sacrifice will leave eyes a little moist. Each and every one who fought for us in the Kargil War is heroes.